Children, today we will learn about the grammar, children. Okay, this is our first class English grammar. In that first lesson is the English alphabets. What is this, ma? English alphabets. How many alphabets are there, children? Say, how many alphabets are there? You learn in your nursery to LKG, yes or no? How many letters? Yes, they are 26 letters. Alphabets are there. The alphabets is a group of letters. There are 26 letters in the English language. We use these letters to make words. So 26 letters, we use many words. The letter A to Z of the alphabets are written in the particular order in, and dictionary words are given in the alphabetical order. This order makes it easy to find the meaning of a word. So 26 letters we will make one letter to many words. So it's come in the meaning also of the each letter, whatever the words we are making. So in these letters we have two type of letters. How many types of letters, children? Two types of letters. They are capital letter and second one is small letters. What are there? Capital letter and small letter. So that also capital letters are called big letters or uppercase letters. We write capital letters as follow. How we will write? We will write in the 4 lines. So how we have to write that? Upper cases, and small letters are called as a lower case. We write small letters as follow. So how we have to write upper cases and lower cases? Capital letters we used to write in upper case and small letters we will write in the lower case. That I will write on the board now. Now we will write in the 4 lines mark capital letters that we use in the upper cases. So these are the 4 lines. These are the 4 lines. You have this 4 lines book, Noma, 4 rule book. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. So we have to use only uppercase. Uppercase means 1, 2, 3. Only 3 lines we use to write a capital letters. So write down first capital A. What is this? Capital A. Then A after you have to leave some space. A after you have to leave some space. Then write down capital B. Okay, children. Then give the space capital C. Then leave some space capital D. Then space after capital E. Capital F. Capital G. H. I. J. K. L. And M should be 3 lines. It should be equal. See ma, how I am writing here? M. N. Capital O. And P should be uppercase only. Capital letter. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. And W should be the equal. X. Y. Z. Okay, children, see here I wrote all in the 3. So I wrote all in the 3 lines. This all called as a capital letters. So each letters you have to give the finger space. Yes children, each letter you have to give the finger space. So read one after one ma. Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F, capital G, capital H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all are called as a uppercase. Uppercase letters. Okay children, now we will go to the small letters that we will write in the lower case. In lower case, this also 4 lines, but we will write in the middle of the 2 lines. We will write in the middle of the 2 lines. So see your first one, small a, finger space, small b, finger space, small c. See how I wrote in the 2 lines. B is the touching up line to 3rd line. Then finger space D, E, F. G should be down. H, I and J should be down. K, L, M, N, O and P should be down. Q should be also down ma. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. See your one. So children, these are the small letters that we will write in 2 lines that we called as a uppercase letters. Okay children, these all are some letters G, J, Q, P, Y and Z that we have to write in the down case. Okay na children, I hope you understood it. Capital letters and small letters. Next class I will explain you about vowels and consonants. Now children, here write the small letters. So I wrote here some capital letters that we have to write in the small letters. So what is this first letter? Capital A. So we have to what we have to write here? Small letters. What we have to write? Small letters. So capital A, small a. Okay. Next, capital C, small c. Capital G, small g. Capital J, small j. Capital S, small s. Capital M, small m. Capital P, small p. Capital B and small b. Next, going to next one ma. Write the big letters. So I wrote here some small letters that you have to write in the capital letters. Here we are writing to capital letters in the small letters. Here in small letters we are writing now capital letters. So what is this first one? Small d. So we have to write here capital D. Next one, small f, capital F. Small I, capital I. Small n, capital N. Small t, capital T. Small w, capital W. Okay children, in the page number grammar book, page number 6, in the page number 6, here they are given, write the small letters of the following, write the capital letters of the following. That I hope you will write this all. Next one, match the following with pictures with the letters. They given the middle in the letters and related that letter some pictures they given. P. P is the parrot. P for parrot. U. U for umbrella. F. F for fish. K. K for kite. C. C for cup. S. S for ship. B. B for bus. M. M for mango. That you have to match it ma. Then I hope you all understood this one. Next notes part I will send you the pics.